Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. This is lecture 5 on notice writing. Today we are going to learn how to write notice for making an appeal or giving a warning or instruction. Let's get started. Now students, first of all, let us learn what a notice is. A notice is a formal means of communication. A notice is written by individuals and organizations to announce or display information to a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. Notices are generally meant to be put up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Notices issued by government appear in newspaper. When to write a notice? Notice लिखने की हमें कब जरूरत पड़ती है? A notice can be written for various reasons. Number 1, to announce meetings. अगर कोई मीटिंग होने जा रही है तो उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचा सकते हैं? By writing a notice. Number 2, on events. कोई कंपटीशन होने जा रहा है, एनी सेलिब्रेशन इज देयर, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट इज देयर, कल्चरल इवेंट इज देयर, सो वी कैन गिव इंफॉर्मेशन बाय राइटिंग नोटिस. नंबर 3, एन एक्सकर्शन ट्रिप, कैंप, फेयर और एग्जीबिशन, सो इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन भी हम नोटिस लिख के लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं. अ लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड नोटिस, आपकी कोई चीज गुम हो गई है तो उसे ढूंढने में मदद मांगने के लिए आप नोटिस लिख सकते हो. If you have found something, for that also you can write a notice. So students, till here I have already taught you how to write notices on these topics in lecture 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Number 5 is for appeal or warning. This we are going to learn today in this video. Parts of a notice. नोटिस के कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं? नंबर 1 इज फॉर्मेट. अ फॉर्मेट इंक्लूड्स द नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कॉमा, सिटी, द वर्ड नोटिस, उसके बाद डेट ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, देन द हेडिंग. हेडिंग शुड क्लैरिफाई द पर्पस ऑफ द नोटिस. आपकी जो हेडिंग है उसमें क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए कि आप नोटिस किस बारे में लिख रहे हो. और नोटिस के एंड में हम करते हैं राइटर सिग्नेचर, यानी द नेम विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, यू राइट इट इन स्मॉल लेटर्स. उसके नीचे वही नेम हम कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखेंगे. एंड द लास्ट लाइन इज द डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी. Now students, second part of the notice is the content. This is the most important part. It carries 2 marks and content must answer all WH question. What is going to happen in case of event? Where it will take place? So here you have to mention the place. When it will take place, that is the date and time. You must tell who can apply or is eligible for it, that is the target audience, whom to contact or apply to, that is the issuing authority. So your content must answer what, why, when and where. When the reader is reading your notice, तो नोटिस पढ़ने के बाद उसके मन में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उन सबका आंसर इसमें मिल जाना चाहिए. Now third is the expression. It is related to the overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. So here the examiner is going to check whether your content is relevant to what is asked in the question. क्वेश्चन में जो पूछा गया है क्या आपका कंटेंट उसको रिलेट करता है. और इसके अलावा एग्जामिनर चेक करेंगे कि जो सेंटेंसेस आपने लिखे हैं क्या वो ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट हैं. कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक तो नहीं है. So all such things are checked in expression. Now students, let us discuss the marking scheme of a notice. In class 11th and 12th, CBSE board, notice writing carries 4 marks. तो इसमें 4 मार्क्स आपको कैसे मिलेंगे? फॉर्मेट कैरीज 1 मार्क, यानी जो आप लिखते हो नेम ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन, कॉमा, सिटी, द वर्ड नोटिस, डेट, हेडिंग, सिग्नेटरी, डेजिग्नेशन, उसके लिए आपको मिलेगा 1 मार्क. देन द कंटेंट कैरीज 2 मार्क्स वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू आंसर ऑल WH क्वेश्चंस एंड प्लीज stick to the word limit. For content, you get 50 words. Do not exceed that word limit. And then for expression, you get 1 mark. Now students, this is the layout of the notice. The first important thing is your notice is to be put in a box. Then our first line is name of the institution, comma, city. This is most of the time provided in the question. Second line, word notice. ये आपको खुद लिखना है. Third line, on left hand side, you will write date. Fourth line, heading. Then comes the content. So the content must answer all WH questions. The target group for whom the notice is date, time and place. This you have to write on your own. All important details and any extra information that is needed should be mentioned in the content. And it is to be written in 50 words, not more than that. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. उसके बाद नीचे साइन मीन्स जो भी नाम क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है उसे आपने स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिख देना है. उसके नीचे कैपिटल में सेम नाम लिखेंगे और उसके बाद डेजिग्नेशन इन ब्रैकेट्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आर सम नोटिस राइटिंग टिप्स. नंबर 1, डू नॉट क्रॉस द वर्ड लिमिट. द वर्ड लिमिट इज 50 वर्ड्स टू अवॉइड पेनल्टी ऑफ मार्क्स. सो 50 वर्ड्स से ज्यादा नहीं लिखना है, कम नहीं लिखना है, ताकि आपके मार्क्स ना कटे. प्लस और माइनस 2 और 3 वर्ड्स डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. एग्जामिनर एक एक वर्ड को गिनने वाले तो नहीं है. हाँ, देख के पता चल जाता है कि इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 वर्ड्स. नंबर 2, enclose the notice in a box. Notice should be put in a box. If you forget to draw the box, half mark will be deducted for that. हाफ नंबर काट लिया जाएगा. बट स्टूडेंट्स डोंट थिंक कि मैं वहां पे सिर्फ एक बॉक्स बना के आ जाऊंगा और मुझे हाफ मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. आई एम सॉरी, बट उसका कोई नंबर नहीं मिलने वाला है. द हेडिंग शुड बी कैप्टिवेटिंग एंड आई कैचिंग. आपकी जो हेडिंग है वो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हेडिंग पे किसी का ध्यान जाएगा तो ही वो आपका कंटेंट पढ़ेंगे. Use present tense and future time references. And use passive construction of sentences because it looks formal. Now students, today we are going to learn how to write a notice for making an appeal, and these are the value points which you must keep in your mind. Name of the event, name of the organizer if any. Then clearly specify the objective, purpose or occasion, date, time and place, wording of appeal or any slogan. Then the contact address. Here you have to give the same the name and the designation, and specific instructions if any. Now students, here is practice exercise for you. Ramit is the head boy of Delhi Public School, Chandigarh. He and some other students of the school are touched by the plight of the poor and the destitute in the state-run homes. and wish to make a difference in their lives by lessening their sufferings. They decide to raise funds for this purpose. Write a notice not exceeding 50 words, making an appeal for generous donations. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट अस सी कि एग्जामिनर ने आपको नोटिस लिखने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें क्वेश्चन में प्रोवाइड की हुई है। रमित इज द हेड बॉय ऑफ दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल चंडीगढ़। अब हम नोटिस की फर्स्ट लाइन में क्या लिखते हैं? नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन कॉमा सिटी, दैट इज दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल कॉमा चंडीगढ़। ये आपको मिल गया। नाउ हु इज रमित? रमित इज द नेम ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी, जो नोटिस लिख रहा है, तो नीचे जो नाम लिखना है वो भी आपको क्वेश्चन में मिल गया। नाउ हेड बॉय, रमित इज द हेड बॉय, सो यू गॉट द डेजिग्नेशन, जो कि हमारी सबसे लास्ट लाइन होती है। He and some other students of the school are touched by the plight of the poor and the destitute in the state-run homes and wish to make a difference in their lives by lessening their suffering. They decide to raise funds for this purpose. So what is the purpose of writing the notice? To raise funds for the poor and the destitute in the state-run homes. So this is also clearly mentioned in the question. And when you are writing notices for raising funds, your heading is donate generously, or you can write donate generously for a noble cause. Here you can also write donate generously for the poor and the destitute, or you can simply write lend a helping hand. तो आपको जो भी हेडिंग पसंद आती है वो हेडिंग आप लिख सकते हैं। Now let us see our answer. First line is Delhi Public School, comma Chandigarh. Second line word notice. Third line date, that is 13 October 2020. Heading is donate generously. Attention please. All the students are required to donate generously to make a difference in the lives of the poor and the destitute living in the state-run homes. Deposit your contribution to the undersigned by 18 October 2020. The money so raised will be spent on medicines and clothes for the inmates. Now, whoever is giving donation would like to know how you are going to spend that money. And at the end, you have to write the name Ramit, then in capital letters, and the designation, that is head boy. Now students, isn't it simple? Most of the things are provided to you in the question. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़िए, जो जो चीजें क्वेश्चंस में से आप यूज कर सकते हैं उनको अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए and then start writing your notice. Now let us see how to write a notice for warning or instruction. These are the value points. Target audience, किनके लिए notice है? Specific instructions that you want to give, do's or don'ts, क्या करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, और जो भी कोई warning देना चाहते हो. Consequences, अब आपने warning दी है और अगर कोई उस चीज को नहीं मानता है तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट होने वाला है, क्या नतीजा होने वाला है. प्यूनिटिव एक्शन, दैट इज फाइन एटसेट्रा, तो आपको फाइन हो सकता है या किसी भी फॉर्म में जो पनिशमेंट मिल सकती है, दैट यू कैन मेंशन. डिटेल्स ऑफ इशूइंग अथॉरिटी, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज अ नोटिस. यू आर द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ आस्था हाउसिंग सोसाइटी बरनाला. Write a notice to be circulated to all the residents, informing them that there will be no water supply to your society on 14th and 15th October due to maintenance work in the underground storage tank. So here you are warning the public. Now students, let us see what all we get from the question, you are Suman or Sumit. Now, name of issuing authority is here. जो गर्ल्स हैं वो अपना नाम सुमन लिख सकती हैं, जो बॉयज हैं वो सुमित लिख सकते हैं. द सेक्रेटरी. नाउ सेक्रेटरी इज द डेजिग्नेशन of Astha Housing Society, Barnala. So this is the name of the organization, city name. That is our very first line. Write a notice to be circulated to all the residents, informing them that there will be no water supply to your society on 14th and 15th October due to maintenance work in the underground storage tank. So now, what is the purpose of writing? Informing all the residents of Astha Housing Society that there will be no water supply to your society on 14th and 15th October. So, purpose is clearly mentioned and our heading can be no water supply, or you can mention the date as well, that is on 14th and 15th October. Now, here is the answer. Astha Housing Society, Barnala. Second line, notice. Third line, date, 13 October 2020. Heading is no water supply on 14th and 15th October. All the residents are hereby informed that there will be no water supply to society on 14th and 15th October due to maintenance work in the underground storage tank. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Then the name in small letters, Suman, after that in capital letters, followed by the designation, that is secretary. So students, isn't it simple to write a notice and score 4 out of 4? Now students, it's homework time. So here is a notice for you. As president of the Students' Council of your school, write a notice in not more than 50 words asking the students of your school to donate old clothes, books and bags for the Anubhav Shiksha Kendra, a school for the underprivileged being run on your school premises. Now one more question for you. You are chief warden of a boys' hostel. You have noticed that the boys often report late for the roll call at night and have a tendency to damage the hostel property. Write a notice informing the hostel inmates that they should refrain from doing so or else they will be penalized. Do not use more than 50 words. So this is the homework for you. Please write it on your own. Students, thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much.